This is the quagga, an extinct subspecies of the plains zebra that used to be found in a bunch of areas in the southern Africa region, mainly South Africa. They used to be plentiful, but they were hunted to extinction by European settlers, and the last one died in captivity in 1883. This is the only actual photograph of a quagga. It was in captivity, and there are very few pelts or hides that have survived. Now, they were thought to be their own species, but genetic analysis has since proved that they are actually a subspecies of the still living plains zebra. However, in 1987, there was this thing called the Quagga Project started, which aimed at bringing back the quaggas. Now, this has been somewhat accomplished. These are actual specimens that were produced during the Quagga Project, which worked by selectively breeding existing plains zebras that had reduced stripe patterns and selectively breeding them until they resembled the extinct quaggas. Currently, there's about 100 individual zebras involved in the Quagga Project, and a few of them do show this reduced stripe pattern, which was characteristic of the quagga. The main goal of the project is to produce enough quagga-like zebras and release them into areas that the quaggas historically populated and re-establish a quagga population. Now, I say quagga because these are not actual quaggas. The actual quaggas are extinct. These are just plain zebras that have been selectively bred to show a very similar phenotype to the extinct quagga. By using genetic analysis, you can selectively breed for genes that are very similar in producing a phenotype that do look like the quaggas, but they are not actually actual quaggas brought back from extinction. They are plain zebras that have been selectively bred to look like quaggas. So far, the Quagga Project is a success, and there have been individuals produced that do look quite a bit like the extinct quaggas. So hopefully, in a few years, there will be enough to release into protected wild areas and re-establish a bit of a wild population. And one last interesting fact, the quagga was the first extinct animal to have its genome analyzed and sequenced.